Welcome to Daily C1 English Vocabulary, 5 business idioms. To sound like a native at work. Let's begin. On the back burner. To delay or deprioritize something while focusing on more urgent matters. Synonyms: on hold, shelved, not a priority.
We had to put the office renovation on the back burner until the budget situation improves.
The redesign of the website is on the back burner until we launch the new product.
I've put learning Spanish on the back burner while I prepare for interviews.
Hit a snag. To encounter an unexpected problem or difficulty that slows down or complicates progress. Synonyms: run into trouble, face an obstacle, encounter a setback.
The startup hit a snag when their main investor pulled out at the last minute.
Everything was going smoothly until we hit a snag with the supplier. They couldn't deliver on time.
We were almost done, but then we hit a snag with the software bug.
Pick someone's brain. To ask someone for their knowledge, ideas, or expert opinion on a topic, often in an informal conversation. Synonyms: ask for advice, consult someone, tap into someone's expertise.
I'd love to grab coffee and pick your brain about your experience in the industry.
She's an expert in social media. Let's pick her brain about our new campaign.
Can I pick your brain for a minute? I'm trying to decide between two approaches.
Heads up. A warning or piece of information given to someone in advance so they can prepare or be aware of something. Synonyms: advance notice, warning, alert.
Heads up! The meeting has been moved to Thursday instead of Wednesday.
Thanks for the heads up about the price increase. I'll inform my team.
Just a heads up, the client might call this afternoon with questions about the report.
In the weeds. Overwhelmed by details or deeply stuck in complex, low-level tasks. Synonyms: stuck in details, overwhelmed, bogged down.
The discussion went in the weeds and lost direction.
Let's not get too in the weeds, focus on the big picture.
I've been so in the weeds with this bug that I forgot we have a demo tomorrow.
Today we've learned, on the back burner, hit a snag, pick someone's brain, heads up, in the weeds. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe and watch our podcast to dive even deeper.